What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok streaks not showing. Now first thing you should do is to simply open your App Store or Play Store in order to see if your TikTok application has latest version or not. So click on Play Store, then you should search for TikTok, then you should click on TikTok right here and see if you have an update or not. If you have an update, just update the application and see if the issue is fixed or not. Now if you still have the problem, you can simply open your TikTok application and try to change the region. So go open your TikTok, then go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon on the right bottom corner. Then you should tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Tap on it, then choose settings and privacy. And now you should click on account, the first option, then click on account information. And here you will see the account region. Now you should click on it. Then you should change the country. Try to change it to country that has the feature UK, Germany, or United States, for example. But make sure that this process will take about 90 days so you can bypass that by using a VPN. Now, if you still have the problem, you can simply report this issue to TikTok support. And to do that, you should click on three horizontal lines right here, then go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down till you find support and about section, then click on report a problem. And now what you should do is to simply scroll down and click on chat with us. Now here it will open you the chat. Now you can simply type them a small message. You can type this message here, for example, then click on this icon right here. And here, as you can see, it will ask you to open a ticket. So click on submit a ticket. Then you can simply write again the same message. And you can also show them by attaching a video or pictures if you want, then click on submit. And after that, they will answer you, but make sure that you should follow this ticket and see if your issue is fixed or not, or they can simply send you some steps that you can perform them in order to fix your issue. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.